Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Dave Winiarowski. I'm a medical doctor and I'm board certified in internal medicine and anti-aging medicine. And I'm also a certified personal trainer. I have a vast experience in creating supplements that help people change their lives for the better. And I want to tell you about my star player. It's pharmaceutical grade fish oil. Now if I would have made this video a couple years ago, I would have had to tell you all the benefits of fish oil. The truth is, most people already know those benefits, so I'm not going to belabor the point. Pretty much, it's head to toe. And the reason it's head to toe is a couple of things. Number one, it's missing from our diets. We do have an omega-3 fatty acid deficiency in this country, and of course in many other countries as well. It's been gone for a long time. You're seeing the results of it. Inflammatory conditions, heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, etc., etc. Now, what I just said is not FDA or FTC approved, and the American Medical Association would call me a charlatan. But I'm telling you the truth from what I know, from my research and my experience, and also what's helped my patients. When you take something like pharmaceutical grade fish oil, lots of things change for the better. Now, I'm going to skip over the benefits because, like I said, most of you already know those from head to toe and everything in between. But I want to address a purity issue. Okay, what is pharmaceutical grade fish oil? Pharmaceutical grade means that if this were made a drug, and believe me, there's a lot of people who would love to see this be made a drug, especially the pharmaceutical industry, because then they could sell it to you instead of me selling it to you. And fish oil is a big market now, there's no question about it. Pharmaceutical grade fish oil is the purest you can get. You cannot find any impurities in this no matter how far you test. Some of you are familiar with the recent California Proposition 65 lawsuit. You can look at the purity data on my product and you'll see that we exceed all those values. And when you see a little less than sign and there's a number there, what that's really telling you is none detected. You can't find any, and that's what that less than sign means. It just goes out to the absolute levels of human ability to find any impurities at all. And that's important because, in my opinion, I think you're going to live longer if you take this. It's just an opinion. But you would certainly want to take something that's totally pure and totally healthy for you. Now, a couple other questions I get are, well, Doc, what about the other sources of omega-3 fatty acids? And there are many. There's some other marine sources. One is krill. Krill's been around for a long, long time, and it's finally getting a little traction, probably because fish oil is so popular. All I'm going to say to you is there's over 10,000 human studies using fish oil. Fish oil is still the gold standard, and there's only a few studies on krill, and most of them are funded by the people that make krill. That tells you all you need to know. As far as other things, there are many, many plant-based omega-3s, but they come in a form that your body cannot use, or at least cannot use very efficiently. So I don't recommend plant omega-3s. What you need is pure pharmaceutical grade fish oil. That's what I make, and that's what I take every single day, in doses that would make your eyes spin. I recommend about 6 of my capsules a day. For most people, I take 20 or 30, but you don't have to be like me. Just get that good dose in there and see how your life changes for the better. Thanks for your time.